top 7 flexibility mistakes and how to fix them.
Flexibility training offers many benefits, but common mistakes can slow your progress or even cause injury. In this video, we reveal the top 7 flexibility mistakes and practical solutions to help you stretch smarter and see better results. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, avoiding these errors will keep you moving forward safely and effectively.
Mistake 1. Skipping warm-up.
Stretching cold muscles increases the risk of strains. To fix this, always do a light warm-up first, such as brisk walking or gentle arm circles, for at least 5 minutes. Warming up boosts blood flow and prepares your muscles for safe, effective stretching. Never dive straight into deep stretches while your body is still cold.
Mistake 2. Bouncing during stretches.
Bouncing or ballistic stretching can cause small tears in muscle fibers and increase injury risk. Instead, use static stretches. Hold each stretch gently and steadily for 15 to 30 seconds. Move into and out of each stretch slowly. Controlled movement helps muscles lengthen safely and improves flexibility over time.
Mistake 3. Ignoring pain signals.
Pushing through pain is a common but harmful mistake. Stretching should create mild tension, never sharp pain. If you feel pain, ease off immediately. Focus on consistency and gradual improvement. Listening to your body prevents injury and builds flexibility safely. Remember, discomfort is normal, but pain is a warning sign.
Mistake 4. Holding your breath.
Many people unknowingly hold their breath during stretches, which can increase muscle tension and reduce effectiveness. The fix is simple. Breathe deeply and evenly while stretching. Inhale through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Proper breathing helps muscles relax, improves oxygen delivery, and supports safer, deeper stretches.
Mistake 5. Inconsistency.
Only stretching occasionally won't produce lasting results. Flexibility gains require regular effort. To fix this, incorporate flexibility exercises into your daily or weekly routine. Even 5 to 10 minutes a day can make a difference. Consistency builds long-term progress and helps prevent stiffness or regression in your range of motion.
Mistake 6. Neglecting all muscle groups.
Focusing only on popular stretches like hamstrings or shoulders leaves other muscles tight. A balanced routine targets all major muscle groups, including hip flexors, calves, back, and neck. Aim for full body flexibility to support healthy posture, movement, and injury prevention. Rotating stretches keeps your routine comprehensive and well-rounded.
Mistake 7. Stretching at the wrong time.
The timing of your flexibility training matters. Deep static stretching before intense exercise can temporarily weaken muscles and affect performance. For best results, use dynamic stretches to warm up before activity and save deeper stretches for after exercise when muscles are warm and more elastic. This approach reduces injury risk and improves flexibility gains.